In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a discount on a Xero invoice step by step. Whether you want to offer a percentage discount to a client, run a limited promotion, or simply adjust pricing for a loyal customer, Xero makes it very easy to apply discounts directly inside your invoice. I'll walk you through the most common method, which is using the line item discount column. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to apply discounts confidently and correctly. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Xero tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Sales. From the drop-down, select Invoices. This will take you to your Invoices page, where you can see drafts, awaiting approval invoices, and paid invoices. To add a discount, you can either create a brand new invoice or edit an existing draft invoice. If you're creating a new one, click on the New Invoice button. If you're editing an existing invoice, simply click on that invoice from the list. Now, fill out your invoice details as you normally would. Select the customer, confirm the invoice date, due date, and reference if needed. Then move down to the Line Item section. Here is where you add the products or services you're billing for. Enter the description, quantity, unit price, and account code as usual. Next, look for the column labeled Disc%, which stands for discount percentage. This column appears next to the unit price and amount fields. If you don't immediately see it, make sure your invoice layout includes the discount column, but in most standard Xero templates, it's already enabled. To apply a discount, simply click inside the Disc% field for the specific line item where you want the discount applied. Then enter the percentage number. For example, if you want to give a 10% discount, type 10. You don't need to add the percent symbol, just enter the number itself. As soon as you enter the percentage, Xero automatically recalculates the line item total. You'll see the amount adjust instantly to reflect the discounted price. This is one of the great things about Xero. It does the math for you in real time, reducing the risk of manual calculation errors. If you want to apply different discounts to different line items, you can enter separate percentages for each one. For example, you might give 5% off one service and 15% off another. Each line item discount is calculated individually, and the invoice subtotal and total will automatically update at the bottom. After entering your discount, take a moment to review the total section at the bottom of the invoice. You'll see the updated subtotal, tax amount, and final total. Make sure everything looks correct before proceeding. If you need to adjust the discount, simply go back to the Disc% column and modify the number. Once you're happy with the invoice, you can click Save as Draft if you want to review it later, or click Approve if it's ready to be sent. After approval, you can select Email to send the discounted invoice directly to your customer. And that's it. That's how you add a discount to a Xero invoice using the line item discount method, which is the most common and straightforward way to handle percentage-based discounts in Xero. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Xero accounting tutorials, bookkeeping tips, and step-by-step business software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.